Are you wiping Sydney? Are you giving her a little wipe down? She dirty, Zoe? Oh, is she dirty? Say, what are you doing to me? Is this fun, Zozo? Yeah. Say it is Wednesday, October 12th, I think. And Zoe actually is napping again. Yay! We consolidated down to one nap. And because she had napped really for like 2 or 3 weeks. We did it yesterday for the first time. And today and yesterday we slept an hour and a half. Yay! Yay! What are you doing to Sydney? Are you pulling her hair? Hi. Is that your wipey? Where are you going? Somewhere where you're not supposed to go? All right, we're gonna say bye-bye. Zoe, can you say bye-bye? Where's Zoe? All right, we'll say bye-bye just for mommy. Love you. You going back to wash her again? What are you doing? All right, we're hanging up.